Here at Stanley Black & Decker, we believe that no-hole manufacturing is the best way to build a car. We're market leaders in this space, and it all starts with the plastic fastener and component. We look at the car and we divide it into multiple segments, a fluid routing segment, an interior and exterior segment, as well as an electrical segment. And then our fastening and our clips go onto a stud and then are also married to the car with stud welding equipment.
When we talk about developing a complete fastening solution, starting with the plastic clip, this is an excellent example that I have here in my hands. Here we have a plastic clip designed to fit into a variety of interior trim. And on the other side of the fastening solution is the drawn arc welded stud. You can see there's nothing on the back side. This is a single-sided, no-hole based process. And our engineers spent a lot of time using FEA and other tools, standard prototyping, etc., to optimize the hold angle and the amount of float that this clip can provide, so that when we go to snap it together in a real-world application, we know that this clip can absorb the positional variation that we're going to see when we install this stud using our equipment. So we've got engineers on both sides of this, people working on the equipment and people working on the plastic fastener that are coordinating to make sure that the entire system comes together. And the result is a great positive snap, only one location, works every time, terrific feedback to the operator, and very reliable process.
Oftentimes, the fasteners are the last things to be considered for your car. There's only over 1,000 different decisions that need to be made for your fastener needs. We are not a catalog supplier. We prefer to be an application development supplier in connection with the Tier 1 as well as the end item car manufacturer. We don't want you guys to guess yourselves. We have many different materials and we want to develop the application for you. Last year alone, we shipped over 6 billion plastic fasteners in series production, and we have global manufacturing all over the world. Chesterfield, Michigan, Gießen, Germany, Brazil, as well as all throughout Asia.
So another of the considerations that we run into that's really important when you're talking about a total solution for a complete joint is making sure that this stud is set at exactly the right height to properly interface with this clip. So as the people who are the makers of the equipment and understand its tolerances and functions, and as well as how it's going to weld on a variety of base materials and thicknesses, we can help our customers make sure that they're designing for the proper positional tolerance of the stud and make sure that that interfaces with the clip and that the clip is designed to handle the normal production variation. So one of the specific solutions under our no-hole fastening platform that we're bringing to market is our eco-fastening platform. And there we're optimizing, we're using a smaller stud and a smaller plastic clip to provide the same level of performance, but provide the best possible total cost of ownership to our customers. This is an example of a solution from Audi, who's made this their standard for door trim attachment across the board. After an in-depth review, they determined that they're saving substantially on their total cost of ownership for this attachment strategy. Another thing worth noting is that these types of solutions are available in a full range of materials being used for automotive construction today. Steel, aluminum, various thicknesses, coatings. We can do the drawn arc welding across the full platform. We have a fully skilled lab, and we work very early on in the design process to validate the feasibility of any of these solutions.
Plastic application development using Stanley engineered fastening, we considered a lot of different things. From a materials perspective, we're very good in acetals, homopolymer and copolymer, as well as nylons and polypropylene. We have advanced materials for high heat offerings, and soon we're going to be offering biosustainable materials to suit your needs. No-hole manufacturing is simply as easy as don't build your car with holes. It all starts with plastic application development for the fastener, drawing the need for the right stud for the right application, and the right stud welding equipment, all as a system from us, Stanley Black & Decker.